Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to delete YouTube app on Android. So let's get right into it. Head over to your YouTube, but before going over there, just keep tapped on your YouTube. And as you can see, there is no uninstall option right here, but there is a disable option just right beside the remove. All we need to do is just head over to the info section, and there goes my YouTube's info, YouTube applications info in my Android phone. And if I scroll down, there I can see its version, and there is no option to uninstall it or deleting it from my phone. So if I want to delete my YouTube application from my phone, all I need to do is just click on the disable option, just in the middle right here, in the bottom section. And once I click on it, my YouTube will be deleted on my Android. And yeah, this is how you can do it too. As I currently don't want to delete my YouTube application, I'm just not selecting it. And if you want to do it, just head over to it. Hope this video will help you out, and we'll see you in the next one.